And that is what you can see straight away pagkapasok mo.
Welcome back to our channel. My name is Jovi, and for today's video we are doing something that is very special for me. So when I was still a kid in the Philippines, I have been dreaming to have a closet, a beauty room, and all that good stuff. But unfortunately, yung buhay sa Pilipinas hindi masyadong masagana, makakain lang okay na, kaya okay lang sa akin, guys. But now that I have it, I am very grateful for it. And you know, even though hindi siya masyadong kagandahan, hindi siya talaga yung up the top level talaga, but I'm very happy with it. I am very excited to share it with you. I hope that you enjoy it. And yes, if you are interested to see, please keep on watching.
So, pasensya na guys, medyo madilim na kasi gabi na. But this is the door, and that is what you can see straight away pagkapasok mo. So, we'll start from this side, actually, dito. So, merong ganito yung cabinet. Tapos, sa loob ay yung mga gamit ko lang, yung mga damit ko. Guys, apologies, hindi siya talaga organized, guys. I have to, you know, work on my organization skills kasi, yeah, I'm not really good at that. Tingnan nyo guys, hindi nga siya ano guys, oh. Hindi siya parang yung sa iba, 'di ba? Pag nanonood ka ng mga tour na ganito, is parang ano talaga yung order talaga yung colors, yung mga ganun. Pero yung sa akin guys, wala talagang ganyan. Pasensya na hindi ko ma-open tong isang door na to kasi nakaharang tong box. But anyway, sa taas yung mga paper bags and everything. So, yan lang. So, I actually want to do a video when I clear out my closet, guys. Kasi, there's so much in there na hindi ko naman ginagamit. So, I will take time to do a video for that. So, close natin. Tapos, dito, yung box. Ito pala yung ipapadala ko sana sa Pilipinas, guys. But, hindi natuloy dahil sa COVID-19. Kaya, nandito pa siya. Hindi ko pa siya na-close. And here, meron pang mga damit pala na I purchased from Shein na gusto kong i-try on haul. Pero, again, hindi ko pa nagawan. I will do that maybe within this week. I'll see how I go. Tapos, dito sa gilid, meron akong mannequin. Ayan. Yung mannequin ko, sinusuotan ko ng mga damit-damit. Kasi, I don't know, I just like it. Ayan. So, minsan, pinapalitan ko maybe, I don't know, once a month. Pag naisipan ko, pinapalitan ko. And then, comes to this wall here. Oh, this is my favorite wall. Oh my god. So, up the top there, yung mga boxes lang. As you can see, I love collecting boxes. Ayan. Tapos yung bag ko. Tapos yung Marc Jacobs na bag. And there's more bags in here. Hindi naman talaga marami yung bags ko, guys. Try to actually use them all the time. Kasi pag maraming bag, hindi mo na, ewan ko, it's just collecting dust. Kaya minsan, pag bumibili ako ng bag, inaano ko, parang pag hindi ko ginagamit talaga, binebenta ko, tapos binibili ko ng something na talagang magagamit ko. So, yeah, ito yung bag na napalalunan ko, guys. Kung nanood kayo ng videos ko before, tapos magkaparehas. So, they're both Almas, but this is the PM size and this is the BB. And I love putting colors. Guys, so as you can see, meron tayong ano dun, yung parang lime green. Lime green ba yan, guys? Tapos may blue, tapos may dalawang shades of pink. Tapos may pang travel bag tayo dito. Tapos yung mga mini bags lang natin. And then down here are my shoes. So I'll see if I can do my shoes collection as well, guys. But this is one of my favorite, but this is too high. Pag walang cushion, hindi mo talaga to magagamit, guys, diba? Kasi very, very high. Tapos, yan. Ibang shoes. So, as you can see, guys, mahilig talaga ako sa mga nude colors na mga shoes. Kasi, kung hindi nyo pa alam, guys, nanood ako ng YouTube, guys, eh. So, mas maganda pag pitit tayo. Ako kasi 5 foot flat lang ako, eh. Pag nagsuot ka ng mga ganitong kulay, yung mga nude colors na mga shoes, it will give an impression na matangkad ka. So, that's why. And then, meron akong ganito, guys. I've had these high heels for so long, like years and years. But hindi ko siya ma-dispatch siya, guys. Kasi parang iwan ko. Hindi ko naman siya ginagamit. Pati ito, oh, Cinderella lang ang peg. Hindi ko sila ginagamit, guys. But, I don't know. I just love looking at them, I think. Tapos, dito, meron din tayong napanalunan ko rin na shoes. Ayan, yung Balenciaga na shoes. So, kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung video ko, guys, kung paano ko napanalunan, please go ahead and check it out. Tapos, meron tayong mga ganito. Ito, guys, yung slides ko, iwan ko asa na yung isa. I think nasa ano lang. I think nasa sasakyan. And, the flats are just down there. So, yan lang, guys. And then on this side is my Birds of Paradise na plants. Tingnan nyo naman, guys. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't she lovely, guys, diba? Bago lang pala yung bili ko nito, guys. Binili ko online. It's actually $80. Tapos yung delivery niya, guys, is for $10. But I thought it looks really cute in that space there, right? I really love it. And then, on this side, meron tayong vanity. So, this one, actually, binili to sa akin ni Mike nung, I think, we were still dating. Birthday present niya sa akin tong vanity ko, guys. Yan. Ako na yung bumili nito. Binili ko to from IKEA. I don't know the name anymore. I've had it for so long now. I can't even remember. But this one is from Mike, which is very kind of him. Alam niya talaga yung ano, yung gusto ko. And then on this side, meron tayong mga brushes, yung mga hairbrush na maraming buhok, and yung mga brushes natin na wala pang hugas. Tingnan niyo naman. But yeah, just excuse them, guys. But yeah, those are my brushes. And on this side, meron tayong acrylic na storage. I've had this one for years, you guys. If I'm not mistaken, maybe 8 years, I'd say. Sobra, guys, no, 8 years. Grabe talaga. Grabe na ang serbisyo na ginawa sa akin. But on top here, guys, yung mga ano ko lang, yung Eskinol, yung Beatrice, ganyan. Tapos ito pala, guys, from Morphe. Morphe ba yun? Gusto ko sanang hindi ko pa na-open, guys, kasi gusto kong i-review. But yung atin niya naman, hindi naman talaga magaling sa mga review na ganyan. Kaya yan, hindi ko pa nabuksan talaga. But I'll try my best na gawan ko yan ng review. And then here, guys, just my abubots. Here for my eyes. I've got lashes there and also contact lenses. And here are my glasses and some, how do you call this, sunglasses. And guys, seriously, as mentioned before, hindi talaga ako organized. Kaya tingnan nyo naman. Mga abubots na lang yan dyan, guys. And here, I've got my palettes. I've got this one from the Balm. And this is the eyeshadow palette. Oh, tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, I barely use it. Kasi hindi talaga ako mahilig sa eyeshadow, guys. And then, what I've got, this one. I've got this one. It's also from the Balm. And this is yung highlighter nila. Oh, tingnan nyo, guys. Ito lang talaga yung ginamit ko, guys. Oh. Yung iba, hindi ko pa nagamit. Oops, excuse me. Tapos, yung powder ko, guys, is from MAC. And yung mga blushes ko, wala nang mga takip. And currently, I'm using this, how do you call it? Bulingit na, guys. Contour powder. And actually, down here, anong meron dito? Cotton pads. Meron din tayong Q-tips. And dito ko pala nalagay yung pouch na binigay sa akin ni Ate Weng when she went to France. Binili niya sa akin. Para sa akin to. Thank you, Ate Weng. Ayan. I just keep all my coins in there. Tapos, may tape measure tayo kasi why not? And meron tayong mga ano nga tawag dyan? Kalimutan ko. Meron tayong mga diaper. Diaper. Napkin pala, guys. And what else is in here? Meron tayong lid wipes. Ayan. Para sa mga sensitive na mga mata katulad ko. So, yan lang yung laman ng drawer, guys. Tapos, itong chair na to is also from IKEA. I've had this one for so long now as well. But, so na-remember ko lang. I think I bought this one for $100 yung chair. But it looks really cool. Parang clear lang siya. And then this one, I can't remember. I think I got it from Ades. This one, but it's not fluffy anymore compared to when I got it for the first time. Ayan. And then under there, I've got that little bin from, oh, if I'm not mistaken, from Kmart. And all the wirings, excuse that. And this rug, this white rug na naging off-white na siya, guys, kasi very dirty na siya. I got that one from IKEA for $12, I believe. And down to this spot here. So here I've got photo of my family. Ayan. And then I've just got my hair products here, like dry shampoo and what's here? Heat protective spray. And also I have something, the micellar water. Meron din akong ganito, guys, yung pang wipes lang sa face. Kaya minsan sa gabi ayoko nang ayoko nang maghugas ng mukha. Ito na lang yung ginagamit ko, guys. And this is actually very affordable, guys. I got this one from Priceline and it's only for $2. Which is not bad at all compared sa ibang mga wipes. And down here, meron tayong mga chichiburichi. Ayan, guys. Dito ko pa nilagay yung ano, guys, sa binyag ni Paris. Kasi nga, diba, sabi nila, i-keep daw talaga yan. Gamitin ko daw to pag, kinasal na si Paris. Huy, ang tagal pa. And this one here is, again, yung wipes, guys. Oh, iba-iba yung kulay. And then here, I keep all my masks. So, tingnan nyo, guys. Ayan. Meron tayong snail. Meron tayong red ginseng. Green tea. Vitamin. Pomegranate. And seaweed. Yung mga ganyan. Kasi, guys, minsan, hindi ko naman to ginagamit every night talaga. Pero, every time na feel ko na parang nagda-dry na yung skin ko, na parang tsakang-tsaka na yung skin ni tita mo, yun yung ginagamit ko, guys. And then this one, nilalagyan ko lang ng coins. And down here, meron tayong headband, guys. Every time maglagay tayo ng makeup, yan yung ginagamit natin. And then the back here, yung mga gamot ni Paris, mga paracetamol, yung mga ganyan-ganyan. And this one here is, so guys, diary lang siya, guys. Pero sino ba namang naggamit ng diary ngayon, guys, no? May mga phone na naman. But, yan, minsan dito ko kinikip yung yung mga tawag ito, gusto kong gawin na mga videos ba. mga ideas. Tingnan natin kung andito. Ayan, guys. Oh, diba? I'm trying very hard, guys, na ma-organize, guys. Kasi, I know myself na hindi talaga ako organized na tao. Kaya, I'm taking that step. And ito, ang laman ng baul na ito is, ayan, mga fairy skin, guys. Tingnan nyo. May mga sabon-sabon na mga fairy skin. Kasi nung pumunta yung sister ko dito last year, pinadala ko to sa kanya. Ayan. Hindi ko pa nagamit, guys. Sobrang dami pa nila. Ayan. May mga cream pa, mga sunblock. Pero, I'll just keep them there kasi one day, magagamit ko rin yan sila. And then, down here, ay yung mga, yung mga kuryente-kuryente is, ito, yung hair dryer, yung hair straightener. Ano pong meron tayo dito? Meron tayong power bank dito. Mga chargers and everything, guys. Nandito. Nandito pala extra fun. Alam nyo, guys, binigay ito sa akin ng kasamahan ko sa trabaho. Sabi niya, yeah, you can just keep that kasi I can bigay that to my brother, guys. My little brother. And then, tapos na tayo dyan. On this side naman, guys, from the top, meron tayong plant na binili ko. I can't remember when. But I really love having plants, guys. Kaya, yan. Meron tayong, dun, yung parang sabi, best day ever na frame. Tapos, yung parang altar na rin natin, guys, is nandyan. Yung Bible, tapos iba pa Jesus. Tapos, ewan ko kung ano yung isa. And then, this one, guys. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo, is Johnson's Baby Oil. Pero hindi siya Johnson's talaga, guys. Ano to siya, guys? Kasi nung nasa Pilipinas ako, guys, alam nyo yung barang, guys? Kulam ba? Kulam. Sabi nila, guys, nung nagkasakit ako, kinulam na ako, guys, kasi may naibog daw sa akin. Pumunta kami, nagpatambal mi, guys, ba? Tapos, I've had this one for years, like, over a decade na, guys. Pero, andyan pa rin. Hindi ko siya winawala kasi protector ko yan, guys. Protector ko yan. Ayan. And on this side here, I've got my belt and more boxes and paper bags because I love them. And dito, meron tayong, yung camera ko na binili ko for my birthday long time ago. Yung pang selfie talaga na camera, guys. Yung parang wala kang pores. Parang clear na clear talaga yung skin mo pag yan yung ginamit mo. And then, I've got this jewelry box where I keep all my jewelries. Obviously, jewelry box. But, telling you guys, I don't have a lot of jewelry, so don't mind. That's fine. And then, down here are my small leather goods. So, I've got this Sarah wallet na sinira ko na, guys. Nabasa siya, kaya tingnan nyo yung nangyari sa leather, guys, oh. Ayan. But I still keep it because, guys, may sentimental value to sa akin, guys. And then I've got all my luggage tags here with my initials. Ayan. Dito rin isa yung Damiri Bean. And then I've got my cosmetic pouch there, and then the zippy wallet, yung big one. Gustong-gusto ko to, guys, kasi pang travel ba. And this is yung mga cards, guys. Diyan ko nilalagay. Yung mga vouchers and everything, diyan ko nilalagay. Para sa isang lugar lang sila. And then down here, I've got boxes again. Yes, I love boxes, guys. I remember this box. I've had this one for maybe 9 years now too. Nung binili ko tong luggage na to, guys. Luggage tag na to. Ayan yung lalagyan niya. And, yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it forever, guys. Kasi alam niyo naman, sa atin nyo, very sa mga sentimental value na mga ganyan. And then, oh, actually pala, ito, guys, is Christian Louboutin na high heels. Kay Ate Ana pala to, guys. Pinapabenta niya sa akin kasi ewan ko, hindi na niya sinusuot. Guys, kung sana malaki lang to, ay ako na lang sanang mag-assume. But, sobrang liit ng paa niya, guys. Size, ano lang yata, size 5 lang siya, guys. Kaya, ayan, hindi ko pa siya nabenta, guys. But I have it up online. So, hopefully, mabenta na natin soon. And then, down here is bag ni Paris. Bigay sa kanya ng lola niya na hindi pa niya ginagamit. Kasi, obviously, hindi naman gumagamit ni Paris ng mga ganyan. And, yung mga shoes. Actually, si Paris, guys, wala talaga siyang maraming shoes. Yung mga nandito lang pala is yung mga ginagamit niya talaga. Yung iba, andun sa ibang closet. Ito, sa tingnan nyo guys, oh, hindi ko na alam asa ng Paris nito. I think this is sasakyan. Ito yung palagi nyo nakikita sa mga videos. Ito yung gamit niya palagi. Ito bagong bili ko lang. Binili ko online. Ang laki pa pala guys. Kaya ayan. Hindi pa niya nasusuot. But I can't wait na masuot niya yan. But I think, I don't know, years away pa. And this one, this is super cute, right? Parang Timberland lang. But yeah, it's so cute. Kasyang-kasya na to sa kanya ngayon. And then, on this side, I've got that frame from Kmart. And these ones, they're actually for Paris's room. When, nandun pa kami sa kabilang bahay, guys. But wala na akong mapaglagyan ngayon. So, nilagay ko lang dyan. And this one here, this drawer is for Paris. So, these are Paris's clothes. Ayan. So, yung mga hinahang ko, guys. And again, as you can see, I'm not very organized. Like, pag nahang ko na, yes, that's it. Hang na. Hindi na kailangan na ano pa yung kulay. Dapat nasa order yung mga kulay. And then, this one's here. Guys, hindi ko pa na guys. Oh. Ito yung mga hair clips ni Paris. Ayan, yung mga hair tie niya. Ganyan. Diyan ko nalalagay. Tapos yung mga underwear niya, diyan lang. And then, and these ones ay yung mga tops niya, mga shirts and everything. Ayan, hindi na naman organized. And then sa bottom, guys, ay yung mga pants niya. Ayan. Yeah. And then, the last one is this plant here. Again, guys, I'm in love with plants. And, yeah, maybe I'll make a video yung mga plant collections ko. We'll see. And then, andito yung laptop ko, guys, kasi nabubuang na ako sa, guys, sa Crash Landing on You. Nung nanood ako ng Crash Landing on You, hindi ako makapag-move on, guys, kaya, ayan, yung mga music nila, I listen to them because I love them. Na LSS yung atin nyo, guys. Kaya yan, I'll give you a final look. Yan. Yan. And it's me.
So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please give us a thumbs up if you did. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And yeah, I hope to see you all in the next one. Please don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye!